Boom. But anyway, hey, you didn't want to listen to this to hear my nose. So the top pick for the last 2 or 3 days is been since Monday, PCG. Kick-ass trade today. This was a overnight. We were calling from $10.60. We woke up this morning. The stock was sitting at almost 13 a share. And the reason for that is because the courts have went ahead and approved the bankruptcy. The governor stepped away from it, and voila. And we called this 3 days ago when it was at $8 in our chat room. We called it at $8 a share. I told everyone to buy the stock, look for 11.50 to 12 as topping, and the stock ended up squeezing all the way to 13. Everyone woke up with money, including AJ Trader. Yes, I did. I actually showed it to you this morning, and I was so happy. It's nothing like waking up with a couple G's in your bank. Makes you happy. So that's what I started today. So PCG was the top of our list. I got a lot of thank yous this morning. Got kudos on that. I was really happy about that. But hey, that's my job. Finding great plays. Great reasons to buy, great reasons to swing, all these wonderful things. All right, next trade we did today was a stock called Netflix. Big one today. This one I wanted to long it around the 315 area at the open. We've been calling long for the last couple of days since 307. Today I called long. And the reason is because they have overseas subscription numbers that are just off the hook. And I believe they're going to report them on their next quarter. And if they do so, look out. Should have a really fantastic. And as a matter of fact, Bank of America agrees with us. Bank of America this morning has decided to increase the thing on Netflix to right here. Netflix to buy rating with $426 a share. Pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool. We called that right away today. Wonderful trade. So we called this today to long at 315 to 325. The stock hit 325.36. Yeah, we did really good. And this morning it stayed under 325. You believe that? And then finally it broke out. So really good play. Next one we did today, TSG. TSG. This was a block trade, believe it or not. Block trade of 15 million. Jeffries was the underwriter. Stock had been sold off for the last 2 days. Finally, we find out why. Block trade at 15 million shares at 23.75. Chat room went long at 23.80. Right back to 25 a share. Oh, TSG. If you don't know what a block trade is, that's what our chat room is all about. We will teach you, show you, educate you, and help you to understand one of the easiest trades in the whole entire world. Next one. Fix. Fix was beautiful today. Fix was a bio play. It was down significantly after hours on phase half, and I felt it was a buying opportunity. I felt there was no short in it. I wanted everyone to log it at 17.50 this morning. Add on dips. I said the stock would gap fill back to 21 or more, 20 or more. The stock ended up gap filling all the way back to $22 a share. Fix. Another call we did today was Win. We did some gambling stocks today. Really fun today. Las Vegas Sands and Win. Both of these were gapping up today. Macau allowed increasing of their clients being able to come in. So all the casinos over there, such as Las Vegas Sands and Win, all those that have operations over there, we're going to get more customers to come. Therefore, obviously, it's good for the stock market, good for the gambling, for their stocks. Forgive me, it's all the pills. But so for us, I love Win. I only trade it when there's news on it, or upgrades, or downgrades, or earnings. Today was a perfect opportunity for me to come in there and take it. So I wanted to short the stock at 138.50, 139, take it down to 135, bottom cover, and go right back up to 139. Las Vegas Sands, I told everyone this will gap fill to 68.50, and it hit $68.50, grinded back up, and right now it's trading at around 69. So you could have went short and long, short and long. Either way, you would have went on the trade. The next one was for my small cap crew. I always have big small cap short sellers in the chat room. Today was SLDB day, one of the best trades for small cap. We were calling this at $7 to come down to 5 and under, right off the top. The fact it broke 5, 4 was the next spot, gap filled fully. The news was stupid, 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 and stupid, and stupid was stupid. So the whole purpose of the short isn't the chart, it's understanding the news. It was our number 2 pick behind PCG, and it said it right here. All right. Short, 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 short. Do not long, do not long. 7 short, $5 and under. Simple trade. Yep, those are 7 ideas for this morning. And of course, last but not least, we can't leave without FedEx. FedEx was a great combination between Fire Trader, Dark Side, and myself this morning. The three of us were all pretty much on the same page. We wanted FedEx to come down to the 145 to 147 area as it was selling off. It was a wonderful idea to do. We wanted to short the stock after any initial pop at the open because we figured we get a little short coverage. I was looking for 155, but as far as the downside of it, if it didn't hit it, it started to break down. Uh, the three of us were all eyeing the 145 to 147 range. We were 100% correct. I put 145 to 147. Given this is written down on my notes about an hour and a half before the market even opened, and then written down here 30, 35 minutes before the bell even rang. If you want to see the stock, we called 146 as the bottom curl, and FedEx hit 146 a share. And to be honest with you, my gut feeling is it's going to take FedEx a long time to kind of recover on this. I don't see them unless they can negotiate a better deal with Amazon. And I think, to be honest with you, my personal opinion is if Amazon is starting to do this, I want you to think of all the other huge companies that maybe want to use their own services or get a cheaper service, you know, and take the path to Amazon. And Amazon is really stepping up saying, we don't need you, you know. And this was a big blow today, and I don't think it's over for FedEx. I think you'll see other big companies coming in and kind of say, we don't need you, and which cannot be very good for FedEx. It's just my personal opinion. But hey, I'm a day trader, not a berry trader. I don't bury the trade. I just kind of think that's what it is. Right? So those are the 7, 8 plays today. We did about a dozen or two in the chat room. And I got to give a shout out to Trader in here, B Trader, and JT. B Trader is a subscriber in the room. I was, as much as I called FedEx to perfection, I really screwed up the trade. I botched it. I just impatient, stupid. Just call me whatever you want to call me. It was just I fucked up the trade. Okay, I fucked it up. If I had stayed short, I'd be a hero. But I fucked up. I initially took the short, got paid, and then went in there and got greedy. And greed kills every time. So I needed my money back. So B Trader found this morning right here off the breakout, called me out. AJ, Miriam, 18. What? And I just went for it. I fucking went for it. Made $790 in change on this stock. I was so fucking happy. And then JT just walked it up to 25 with Janny to 27. Just kept going. Love these trades because they can really, if you're on the right side of the trade, you can make serious bank. And once I hit I traded it twice. Once I hit it, I said, no, I'm not playing it no more. Stuck to my guns. Pretty much made up my FedEx money. That's all I wanted to do. So wonderful day to trade today. Great. I was sick. Hopefully I'll feel better tomorrow. But I loved it. I'm gonna go hiking now. And remember I told you TSG to 25, 24.91. Boom. Block trade. Remember that. Block trade. Boom. That's what block trades are about. Okay, so that is today's webinar. Thank you so much. I love you all. I'll see you tomorrow. Bright and shiny, 4:30, 5 o'clock in the morning. I will have a list for you. We're going to kick ass. Find you 12, 14 ideas, 12 ideas at least. It's my Twitter feed, AJTrader7. I love it. Have a great day. Take care. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.